Before I found Perfect Practice, my practice was brick and mortar, which was successful until I moved and had to build all from scratch all over again. And then just the pandemic just hit. So just as we were opening, we had to close. And that's when I found Sachin on his Perfect Practice live event. I decided to jump on the train on this mentorship to try to build something online also and become pandemic proof. I've been following Sachin for quite a few years before that event. Being at that event, seeing the value that he offered, all the content that was there, the applicable nuggets and knowledge that were shared during these events, it was just a no-brainer and just felt like the right match to do business with him. My life changed quite a bit in a sense that, and it's not where I want it to be right now yet, but it's moving toward that. I still have a brick and mortar office. I still see patients in office. I'm moving towards being 100% aligned. So I see that the freedoms will be higher when that move is done. Right now, I have maybe 50% of my schedule that is online, so I can clear off a couple of days of my week to work from anywhere. So that's pretty cool. I can see right now the impact that having programs. Before working with Sachin, I was only doing a la carte, and right now I offer programs, so I can see a more stable income. So it's really been a lot of stress relief. Before working with Sachin, I was only working one-on-one, and I wasn't doing any kind of marketing or sharing things. I had the belief that I couldn't serve people well if I was working with many people at a time, or if I wasn't doing one-on-one, or I didn't see how I could get great results or have the same impact on those people's life. And my mind just shifted completely while implementing our signature online program right now that is focusing on just transforming health habits of the people. And just by doing that with a specific protocol, we have mind-boggling results. People are, yes, shedding the weights, but they are getting better digestion. They are getting rid of medication with the help of their doctors. They are getting so many benefits, more energy, better skin, without using supplements or having to come in office, all while leveraging my time and being able to coach multiple people at a time and not just being stuck in one-on-one sessions all the time. In the Perfect Practice Mentorship, my experience was outstanding. I really loved when it was Sachin sharing his knowledge, or when he was inviting experts in their fields. I had the opportunity to learn from so many people. That's one of the biggest things for me, was being able to connect with new people that could help me bring my business to the next level, or just help me being a better human being. And that's why, I renewed like 3 or 4 times the mentorship. If it wasn't good, I wouldn't be renewing every year. So my life changed and my practice changed. All in all, I have a stable online income that I hadn't before. So that's pretty cool. I would recommend the Perfect Practice Mentorship to another practitioner, because you just embark on a beautiful journey with people that cares about you and about your practice and about your success. This is like fantastic. My name is Alexandre LABELLE. I'm a kinesiologist, naturopathic practitioner, and I have my clinic, which is called Specialist Santé, which means health specialist, based near Montreal in Quebec.